In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule emails in ConvertKit. Scheduling your emails is a great way to stay consistent with your communication, even when you're busy or away from your computer. Instead of hitting send in real time, you can prepare your message in advance and let ConvertKit deliver it automatically at the exact date and time you choose. First, log into your ConvertKit account. Once you're on your dashboard, look toward the top of the screen to find the main navigation menu. There, you'll see an option labeled Send. Click on Send, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose Broadcast. Broadcasts are one-time emails that go out to your subscribers, as opposed to automated sequences. On the Broadcast page, you can either start a completely new email or work from something you've already drafted. If you want to start from scratch, click the New Broadcast button in the top right corner. If you've already created a draft broadcast and just want to schedule it, simply select that draft from your list. For this walkthrough, imagine we're opening a draft broadcast that's already been written. Once you're inside the broadcast editor, you'll see your email content, subject line, and settings. Take a moment to review your copy, your subject line, and who the email will be sent to. When you're happy with everything, look again to the top right corner of the page and click the Publish button. This doesn't send the email immediately. Instead, it moves you to the next step where you can choose when it should go out. After clicking Publish, wait for the page to reload. You'll now see a summary page for your broadcast. Scroll down until you find the section labeled When would you like to send this? Just below that text, there will be a field with a small calendar icon, and to the right of that field, you'll see a pencil icon. Click the pencil icon to open the date and time selector. A scheduling window will appear, allowing you to choose the exact date and time when you want your email to be delivered. Select the day from the calendar, then set the time. Make sure you're aware of the time zone shown, so your email goes out when you actually intend it to. Once your date and time are set, click Continue at the bottom right of the page. A confirmation pop-up will appear, giving you one last chance to review your broadcast details. If everything looks correct, click Schedule Email. Your broadcast is now officially scheduled, and ConvertKit will send it automatically at the time you selected.